Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my 1987 Chevy Celebrity. Today I'm going to be doing the wheel bearings because changing the calipers didn't fix anything. Alrighty, so while the tires were still on and all that, I pretty much broke this loose, and now I can lift the car and get started. Alright. Okay, so I already got the tire off, and now I'm gonna take the caliper off, rotor, and then we're gonna get to the hub. Alright, hopefully the part fits. And alright, put you guys on a time lapse. Alrighty, so I took the nut off and I kind of don't know what to do now. Just trying to pry it out, but it doesn't seem to be working. So I'm gonna get a better pry bar and see what happens. Okay, so I took it out. It was pretty seized on there. I had to bang it a few times, and I also kind of damaged it over here from prying on it. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna do another time lapse just so I don't bore you guys more. Okay, so I removed the hub already, and I don't know if you guys could hear that noise, but yeah, it's kind of weird. And I'm not gonna change the seal. It looks still really good. But yeah, okay, clean this up a little bit. This is my baby. Oh yeah, let me put you on another time lapse. Okay, so the new wheel bearing is in. I put the caliper back, and yeah, it seems to be nice and sturdy. Now I just have to tighten this up when I put the wheel back on. I forgot to put this back on. I'm kind of being lazy, but I'm gonna do it. Alrighty, so I got this side done, and I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll take it on the test drive to see if this gets hot or not. But from the looks of this, I think it was that, like, can't notice, but this is pretty like I don't know, hardy. Alrighty, so I came back from a test drive and they're still getting hot. I don't know if you can see the little smoke coming out, but that might be just the stuff I cleaned it with. Yeah, still hot. Like, whew, yeah, it shouldn't be that hot. Oh yeah, what a bummer. It might be a brake issue or something, which I'm thinking it might be that back cylinder creating some type of air pocket into the brake system. So might change those out, but yeah, sucks.